Galen, take those two. Go get it, Scout. Good boy, buddy. Come on, Scout. So here's how I go ahead and do a cleaning of a duck. Grab a little fat, slice a knife up, make a little hole. See, there's the breast right there. Just grab, pull. Easiest way to do it, so that way you don't make a huge mess. Limits the amount of feathers you get everywhere. Makes clean access to the tasty meat. I like to push everything back as far as I can. There you go. That's the breast right there. That's what you want. A couple bullet holes right there, little BB holes. So what I do next, I like to spread it. Put my knife just on the outside of that meat bone right there, the breastbone. Gives a nice little cut. You can see there's another little end right there. Same thing, put a little tension on the meat. What that does is it just allows it to, as you're pulling and cutting, just slices straight down. And then I'll normally just do a little pull back, expose the bottom of the chest cavity. Continue my cut. Now the area I always struggle with right here at the top of the breastbone. It's a little easier on this teal though. And you gotta be careful, because if you get too deep right here, you enter the chest cavity and there's a little seat right there. A little vein you don't want to nick if you can help it. And then I just pull. Flip it, do the same thing to the other side, little tension, pulls the meat nice out. Cut a little bit right there, pull everything out with my fingers. Cut that down that way, get the cutlet if you can. Basically let the knife do all the work. Not a lot of tension, not a lot of pressure, just enough so it just slightly pushes through. There you go. And what I like to do, I like to just rinse them off a little bit, get all the feathers off. Pull up any extra little fat, little skin tags that are hanging off. Get all those off there. Feel for, there's a little hole right there. Feel for any BBs if you can. I don't have one of those magnet BB finders. Go. Then I'll get a little bit of cold water. let that sit for a little while. And I'll come back to it a little bit later, maybe put it in the fridge if I'm going out doing something. I'll go ahead and cook that a little bit later tonight. All right, so we've got the duck here. Been sitting in this water for a couple hours now, just enough to try to pull out as much blood as possible. What I'm gonna do here is pull them out, pat them dry. Alright, 2 breasts and a different flavor for each one. We're gonna got a little wet marinade here, garlic and herb, leap herons, you know this stuff's great. And a little Traeger fin and feather dry rub. Haven't tried that one yet, but excited to give it a shot. Let's get started. Alright, marinade's real easy. Get a bowl, a little bit of meat, sit for a couple hours. We'll come back to that guy. All right, for the dry rub, go ahead and pop it open, shake it on. Work it in. Alright, this is about ready to get on the grill. Alright guys, so here we are. Got the Traeger fired up to 450 degrees. She's there. These will go very quick once it's on. A couple minutes per side. Want medium, rare. Let's throw them on. Wait. All right, so these have been on for about 2 minutes on this side. Flip them. All right, so it's been about another 2 minutes on the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off. There they are. Now we let them rest for a couple minutes. Here we are. It's been a couple minutes now that they've been sitting, resting, letting the heat work its way through everything. I'm gonna go and slice them open. Well, you guys can see what the inside of these two look like. Nice little pink on the inside. Don't want to overcook them. I like mine a little rare. These are about medium rare right here. Let's go and give that a taste. Soft, tender, delicious. Let's try the marinade. Definitely taste the marinade throughout. This one's definitely got a better flavor to it. Just because it's such a small amount of meat though, you can taste it on all sides. I'm gonna go and cut these up. Probably throw them on a tortilla, like some tacos.